Okay, why shouldn't you let a doctor put one of those sticks in your mouth? So we're going to use the crayon to show us how to work on this worksheet. Which one is bigger, 8 or -3? You're right, 8 is. So we're going to use our pencil, and I'm using red crayon, to show that symbol. And since we chose greater than, 6 gets a 0. So I come to the bottom and I put a 0 on 6. The next one says 4 and -9. Well, of course, 4 is bigger than -9. So 28 gets an E. But when you come to something like -2 and -3, think about what number is closer to 0, because that's going to be the bigger number. Well, of course, -2 is closer to 0, so it's bigger. -3 is further to the left, so that means that it is less than. So -2 is greater than -3, because -2 is a bigger number. And you can think about it in money. It's better to owe somebody $2 than it is to owe somebody $3. So 3 gets a U. Uh-oh. Okay, so we're going to come down here to the bottom, and 3 is going to get a U. All right, the next section, that should show you how to do the top. It says decide if they're in order from least to greatest. So you have a -9, a -2, and a 5. Is that how the number line goes? Well, yes, it is. So 18 is going to get an A at the bottom. Okay, but now let's look at the next one. Is that how the number line goes? -8, 0, then back to -1, then 9? No, it is not. They're not in order from least to greatest. So 24 gets an E. The last section says, are they in order from greatest to least? So that would be the reverse of the number line. So let's look at the first one. 12, -1, 1, -17. Is that how a number line goes in reverse order? No, it is not, because you don't go positive, negative, positive, negative. So 34 gets an M. I hope you understand how to do this worksheet. Now let's move on to the next one. This worksheet says, why did the bank robber run home and jump in the shower? Let's see if we can. Uh-oh. Ms. Parker's still learning this new technology. Okay. This time I'm going to use blue. So, if I come down here to my worksheet, the first thing I want to do, if I'm doing this, is I want to number. Now, it's not going to be very good, but you can number your paper better than Miss Parker, because I can't shrink it. So it said I would number everything first, and then it says 3 units to the left of 0. This is pitiful. All right, let's look at where 0 is. 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. So that one gets an H. So I put that H there, and that's -3. But you need to go ahead and number your number line first. That'll make it a whole lot easier. All right, the next one says the opposite of 13. Well, what is the opposite of 13? -13. So I've got to find it. And if you got your number line already numbered, it's real easy. -11, -12, -13. See how jumbled it gets? But we know that it would be right here. And I would put an A. So other words that you might want to label is, I might want to put left up here and right. And when you finish up, you will get the answer to why did the bank robber run home and jump in the shower. Now, we speak English in math, so don't get a Chinese answer. Let's see what you might know. Now, gain, that is a positive. So we're going gain means positive. If you put something in the bank, it's called a deposit. So that's also positive. But if you're going below sea level, what would that be, guys? Negative. Uh-oh. I was trying to get to the other side here. Loss, is that positive or negative? Negative, that's right. So you have all of these words. Withdrawal will be negative. And then you just go up there and find where the number would be. That's easy enough, isn't it? So if you have any problems, you should ask your substitute or anybody that might be in the room. I hope you have a great day, and I miss you guys already.